In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in QuickBooks Online. Managing your business finances efficiently is essential, and QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool to help you stay on top of your expenses. Whether you're tracking payments to vendors, logging office supply purchases, or recording other business-related costs, adding expenses correctly ensures your accounts are always up to date. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive into the steps to record an expense seamlessly. First, locate the New button at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. This button is your starting point for creating new transactions, so it's important to know where it is. Once you've found it, click the New button to open a drop-down menu. This menu displays a variety of transaction types you can create, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on expenses. Next, from the menu, select the expense option. This will open the expense entry form where you'll fill in all the details about the payment you're recording. Let's start by entering the payee's name. The payee is simply the individual or company you made the payment to. If the payee is already in your system, QuickBooks will suggest their name as you type. If not, you can add them as a new payee. Now, input the payment date. This is the date the expense occurred, so make sure to use the exact day the payment was made. This step is crucial for keeping your records accurate and ensuring your financial reports reflect the correct time period. After that, choose the payment account. This could be your business checking account, a credit card, or any other account you use to make the payment. Selecting the correct account is important for tracking your available balances accurately. Next, enter the amount of the expense. Be sure to double-check this figure to avoid any discrepancies in your records. If necessary, you can also add a description to clarify the purpose of the expense. For example, if the expense was for travel, you might note the destination or the event it was related to. Adding descriptions can be helpful when reviewing your expenses later. Now, select the appropriate category for the expense. QuickBooks provides a range of categories, such as office supplies, travel, or marketing. Choose the one that best matches the nature of your payment. Categorizing expenses correctly is essential for preparing tax returns and understanding where your business is spending money. Once you've entered all the details, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Double-check that the payee, date, amount, account, category, and any additional information are all correct. This quick review step can save you time later by preventing the need to go back and fix errors. Finally, when you're sure everything looks good, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. QuickBooks will now record the expense in your account, and it will appear in your transactions list, ready to use in your reports and reconciliations. And that's it! You've successfully added an expense in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.